Alright guys, we're gonna collect some crabs, mud crabs. We are going fishing for sheephead today. The way you do it, guys, lift the rocks where is water most of the time. You're gonna find them under there. So let's find some. There you go. Nice size. And there you go, guys. Another mud crab. You just split the rocks. They are under there. There you go. Very easy and simple. Ten minutes, guys. We got a couple of dozens here. Maybe a little bit more, and that's it. Yeah, guys, that's how you find them. Keep searching, and I see you to the spot, guys. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today we're back again at the jetty, trying to catch the sheepheads. So what I'm using today, guys, like just a #1 hook and a small slingshot. It's kind of windy, and I do have some mud crabs with me, as you can see. There you go, guys. We're fishing this today, and I still have some sand fleas from last time here. The water is nice and clean. Let's see what we can catch, guys. All right, first bait, first cast. Let's see if they are here, guys. It's a lot of wind today, so if they're here, we'll catch them. The water is nice and cold. They want to eat. We'll catch them. He's short. There you go, guys. First sheephead for today. Too small. Yep, easy release. And let's see if there is any bigger one. The water is very clear today, guys. It's still a bit windy, so that's alright. We're gonna catch some sheepheads. Let's see if we can catch any big one. He's strong, guys. you go. This is around 11 maybe. 11 and a half. Let's see if we can catch another one, guys. Something bigger. Let's get another crab. Just hook them on the side, guys. And there you go. Fish on. Nice sheepy, guys. Look at this giant, guys. It's a big sheephead. Let's measure this guy. How big is this? $15 and a half. We're gonna keep this guy. We'll keep some for today. Let's put another crab and see if we can catch a bigger one, guys. Alright. Jumping on the water, so that means fish around. Maybe we can catch a 17, 18, 19 inch sheephead. Fish on. There you go, another one, maybe like 11 or 12. They are fun to catch, guys. They will steal your bait right away. You can even tell it feels hooked. But hey, fishing is fun, guys. What is that big one? Yeah, guys, it's been like 45 minutes, no bite at all. The bite just slowed down. Maybe we're gonna move some other place this way. Maybe we can find them over there. Let's stay a little bit here and see what happens. Come on, guys. What is this thing? Let's fight it. guys. Let's see how big is this guy. After 45 minutes, guys, didn't have no bite at all. As you can see, 14-inch. We keep this guy too. There you go, guys. Nice sheepy. All right. I got 2 keepers already. Let's see if we can catch one more. We move a little bit, like maybe 200 feet away from the place. Let's see if the fish are here. It looks like they are here. I just lost one, but it's alright. Nice days, boats everywhere. I'm gonna take it. Fish on, guys. Very nice. He's fighting. I'm fighting. Let's see how big is this guy. He's exactly 12 inches, guy. We're gonna take him back to the water. Look at this. Come on, sheepy. There you go. Let's get something bigger, guys. For 12 inch, that guy was fighting so much. All right. Let's get another crappie. If there is one, might be more. He was still in my bait a couple times. What we got here? Flounder, guys. I was jigging for maybe I can catch any permit around or pompon, and I caught this little guy. I switched it for a couple minutes because the sheephead bite is like dead right now, and I caught this guy. There you go, buddy. Thank you for the catch. Let's put another crab. These sheepheads are taking the crabs very fast, guys. can even tell. Come on. Let's go. Fish on. There you go. Baby sheephead, 12-inch. Bring your mama. Alright guys, we are gonna close this video for today. We got two sheepheads here, two keepers. That's all we give in today. We have a fun day. So if you like my channel guys, please subscribe. I appreciate that, and I'll see you on the next one.